Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's video, we are going to be practicing a full body flow that will leave you energetic and refreshed. Let's get into our practice. We're going to start off in tabletop position. So you're going to come on your knees and place your palms on the mat. Let's start with a few rounds of cat camel just to get the spine a little warmed up. As you inhale, look forward and arch your back. Exhale and round the back. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round your back. Inhale, come to a neutral position. As you inhale, you're going to lift your right arm up. Exhale, take the right arm between your left palm and your knee, shoulder towards the floor. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and lift up. Exhale down. Extend your left hand forward, twist. Stay here and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Bring the left palm back. Use your left palm for support. Come back into tabletop position. Tuck your toes, exhale and go into downward facing dog. In downward dog, pedal out your feet. Lift up one heel at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heels down as much as you can. As you inhale, lean your body forward to a plank. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale to plank. We're going to stay in plank for 1, 2, draw the navel in, keep your lower body also engaged. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. From here, step the right foot forward between your palms, place the left knee down on the mat. Dynamic movement between Anjaneyasana and half split. So as you inhale, lift your chest up and keep pushing your hip forward. As you exhale, straighten the right knee, get your chest towards your thigh. Inhale and lunge forward. Exhale and shift back. Inhale and lunge forward. Drop the hips down. Feel the left hip flexor working, chest up. Exhale and shift back. You're not going to sit all the way back. Your hips are still in line with the knee. Try to lift your right toes up and get the chest closer to your thigh. One more time. Inhale and lunge forward. Exhale and shift back. Inhale, lunge forward. This time, take both your arms up, join your palms in Namaste. Start to arch back. When you're arching back, your hip is not coming up, your hip keeps moving down. You're not overarching through the lower back. Keep the pelvis neutral, hips forward. Lengthen up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bring your hands down. Now, you're going to lift the back knee off the mat. Place the heel down into Parshva Uttanasana. Extend forward, stay there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your right knee. Take your fingertips ahead of the right foot. Now lift your left leg up. Balance here. 1, 2, 3. If you can, walk your palms back. Get your forehead closer to your knee. 3, 4 and 5. Take the leg all the way back. Go back into downward facing dog. Drop your knees down. Walk your hands back, palms on your waist. You're going to stretch your right leg out sideways, your right toes in line with the left knee. Right foot is turned out slightly. Inhale and lift your arms up for Parigasana. As you exhale, bend to your right side. Open up through the left lower back, your rib cage. 1. You'll notice when I'm doing this, I'm not pushing my bum back or leaning forward, just focusing on the lateral movement. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale, place your palms down, leg goes back into downward dog. Inhale and lean forward, drop your chest down on the floor. Extend your hands forward. We're going to do a combination of Shalabhasana and Dhanurasana. In Dhanurasana, you're not going to hold on to your ankles, it's just going to be a touch. You can watch me once. As you inhale, lift your legs up, chest up. Exhale, bend the knees, touch your heels. Inhale, forward. Exhale and down. Inhale up. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, chest up. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. Palms near the chest. Tuck the toes. Exhale back into downward facing dog. From here, you're going to take your right leg, cross it in front of the left, drop your knees down to the floor. Now, when you sit back, your legs are already in Gomukhasana position. Your right leg is on top, your knees are stacked one on top of the other. From here, because your left leg is at the bottom, you're going to lift your left arm up all the way back. Take the right arm from below, interlace your fingers, lift the chest up, stay here and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently release your hands. From here, as you straighten out the right leg, you're going to turn all the way back, hands forward, roll your spine down, lie down on your back. Lift both legs up to 90 degrees here. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 90, you're going to drop a little lower, maybe 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep drawing the navel in. 5. Close to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the legs all the way up. Open your legs into a wide V position. Stay here and breathe. 1. Let gravity take over. Allow the legs to keep dropping to the sides. 2, 3, 4, 5. Flex your feet. Bend your knees. Hold the arches of the feet from inside. Keep bringing the knees close to your armpits in Ananda Balasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the knees bent, bring your feet to the mat. Your feet are hip width apart, palms on either side of your heels. Inhale and lift your hips up, Setu Bandhasana. 1, 2, if you are very comfortable, interlock the fingers underneath your back, lift your hips higher. 3, 4, and 5. If comfortable, see if you can slide your hands underneath your hips. Transition from here straight away into Sarvangasana. Lift the hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can stay anywhere between 8 to 10 breaths, deep Ujjayi breathing. I want you to try to come back into Setu Bandhasana. First step is to flip your hands, thumbs towards the spine, bend your knees, gently drop one foot down to the mat, other foot down, come back into Setu Bandhasana, and then gently bring your hips down. Take your right ankle on the left thigh, threading the needle, hug the left thigh into the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let your legs stay as is. Open your arms out shoulder level. Drop both the legs as they are in the same shape towards your left. Turn your head to the right. Now if this knee doesn't reach the floor, use your hand to gently press it down. 1. Let your shoulders stay on the mat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hug your knees into the chest. Start rocking forward and back. Every time you rock forward, you are almost coming to a seated position and rocking back. Once you have this momentum and you feel like you are comfortable, you are going to rock up, cross your legs, place your hands in front of you, and you are going to take your legs back into tabletop position. You have transitioned back to the starting point. We have done everything on the right side. Work your way into the left side, repeating the entire sequence on the left, and you have got a complete balanced class here. That was your full body flow. The emphasis here is on the fluidity and the smoothness in your transitions. So we are not staying too long in the postures, but we are focusing on how comfortably we can flow from one posture to the other while keeping the breath calm and relaxed. I really hope you enjoyed this flow. Please try it out and let us know how you felt. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.